Jamaica is unique and beautiful. Come and take a tour with me. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. True Jamaican vibes, fire read. So right now I am in the Balaclava area in St. Elizabeth. Gonna take a tour of St. Paul's. So enjoy the ride. True Jamaican vibes. Yeah, my paper, I say Jamaica nice, you know? So we're at Balaclava in the St. Paul's area. So it all depends from where you come from in St. Paul's to go to Balaclava town. It's not a long drive. Yeah man, you know say you come to Balaclava, you can just take a trip go down to the Appleton Estate and get the rum tour, you know. Yes, my people, get the rum tour. Some Appleton rum. A lot of persons hear about the St. Paul's area. So fire reader going on a tour on the journey, you know. We're having some bumpy ride at the moment because you know the road condition at times. A lot of persons really love the road condition same way, but still I take a time out if you go no show no I go and same way in Jamaica. So always remember to like, share and subscribe to my channel, True Jamaican Vibes, you know. Yeah, my paper, one love and one heart. That's fire read motto. As you see, we're having some nice weather today. So in the countryside and just pick a jelly and drink and enjoy the day. So there's nothing like the country life. See all them road there now. If you know if you hold on the road and you come to Jamaica, you know. Yeah man, just take a look at time. man see we have a little corner shop, get a little nicks, snacks and stuff, you know. So I was requested to do this video about just getting the time, you know. Yeah man, now let down my people them same way. So you see them road there, if you can drive on them road there, you know, you see them pull off there a while ago. Yeah man. You know, see the road kind of very close, so you have to be careful. So when you're driving in St. Paul's, you gotta be very careful. Just passing the Apostolic Church on your left. People just know Jamaica with fire raid, many more places to go. So need to know the look turn off them in a Jamaica, you know. Not just only the main road, try to know the turn off in Jamaica. Yes, my people. So with our St. Paul's Basic School. No, since school kind of closer now, so keep on watching the paper. I'm gonna make a right turn. So thank you all for watching my channel, True Jamaican Vibes Fire Raid.